Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Karak Tea. So guys, if you're new, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, watch my other videos and share them. Let's dive right into it. So let's start by grating our ginger. We're only going to grate only a quarter of this because we don't really need that much. We're only going to make Karak tea for 2 people. So I'm only going to use a quarter of this. So in a small pot, add your sugar, then add hot water to it, or you can start by boiling your water and then adding sugar to it. I don't use a lot of sugar, so this was enough for us. So this was for 2 cups. That was enough sugar for us. If you want to start from scratch, you can start from the stove. Add your ginger to your water. Add your cardamom too, but guys, remember, you have to open up your cardamom so that you can let the flavor of the cardamom infuse inside the water itself. If you don't open it up, it will be very hard for the cardamom to infuse its flavor inside the water. Then afterwards, let it boil with the ginger and the sugar for about 5 to 6 minutes. And now the end is in sight. We're going to add our tea leaves. Make sure you don't put too much tea leaves, as this will make the chai, Karak chai, very bitter. So just use a little bit of tea leaves and then turn off the heat and put it aside so that the tea leaves themselves can brew, just keep it aside for like 5 minutes. Okay, now guys, this is the part I was waiting for. Time to serve our Karak tea. We left it to brew for a couple of minutes, as I said, 5 minutes. Don't mind us, like I know it looks nasty when the tea spills on the side, but we're going to use a saucer anyway, and we're going to drink the content inside the cup rather than the content outside the cup. So guys, this is our Karak tea. I hope you like the recipe. Stay tuned for more recipes. We're going to have a chapati recipe coming through next. If you don't know how to make layered chapatis, watch out for the next video.